The Signalfire Al6A, built for serious optical jobs. Reason 1. Ultra-fast 6-second splicing saves valuable time. That means more joints finished, less waiting around. For technicians, speed directly turns into higher efficiency. For teams, faster splicing means smoother project delivery. No wasted minutes when deadlines are already tight. This machine keeps your workflow moving without slowdown. Reason 2. 15-second heating gets you ready fast. Quick heating helps reduce downtime between every splice. That's a big deal on busy installation days. You spend less time waiting, more time finishing work. Fast preparation keeps the whole operation feeling efficient. Reason 3. Versatile compatibility handles many fiber types. Single mode, multi-mode, drop cable, and pigtail supported. One splicer for multiple network scenarios, very practical. That flexibility makes it a smart professional investment. You won't need separate tools for different cable types. It adapts easily to varied optical communication needs. Let's talk about reliability, because precision matters most. The Al6A is designed for professional optical networks. It delivers stable fusion performance you can trust. Clean splicing helps improve connection quality overall. Better connectivity means stronger network performance in the field. When the job is critical, dependable gear matters. This machine is built to handle real work, and it's not just fast, it's portable too. The compact body makes transportation much easier. At only 5 kilograms, it stays manageable on site. You can carry it, move it, and deploy quickly. That portability is a huge plus for field engineers. Less bulk, less hassle, more convenience every day. It fits well into active installation environments. Power flexibility is another major advantage here. AC and DC support makes usage more adaptable. Different work sites, different power conditions, same reliable tool. That flexibility helps you stay prepared anywhere. You can focus on the splice, not the setup. For outdoor or changing conditions, that matters a lot. Safety and compliance also bring peace of mind. The CE certification adds confidence for professional use. It shows attention to safety and standards. For teams, compliance can be a real requirement. For buyers, it's one more reason to trust it. So what makes the Al6A stand out overall? Speed, versatility, and portability make a strong trio. Those 3 strengths solve real everyday work problems. That's why this splicer feels genuinely practical. If you want efficient connectivity, this deserves attention. If you want less downtime, it delivers. If you want multi-purpose performance, it fits. It's made for technicians, engineers, and network installers. It also suits anyone demanding reliable optical tools. Professional-grade performance doesn't need to feel complicated. This model keeps the operation straightforward and efficient. That simplicity can improve confidence during demanding tasks. Every second saved helps on a busy job. Every reliable splice helps strengthen your results. Every portable advantage makes the day easier. The Al6A brings all of that together. Fast splicing, quick heating, and strong compatibility. A compact build that's easy to transport. Flexible power support for different working environments. Compliance that supports professional confidence. In short, it's built to work hard and built to help you work smarter. If your projects demand efficiency, this is worth a look. If your team values reliability, this checks the box. If you want a versatile splicer, this one delivers. Don't wait while better workflow is within reach. Take a closer look at the Signalfire Al6A now. Upgrade your optical toolkit with a smarter choice. Click through, compare it, and see the difference. Your next efficient splice could start here. Ready to move faster? Make this your next pick.